Load your family into the 2017 Ford Explorer. Top features include power windows, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.